welcome back to my channel. This is my craft area. I just wanted to show you because we all see the mat and it's all nice and tidy and, well, no, mine is not tidy. I cannot control the untidiness, but this is the tidiest it's been for a while. As you noticed, as you probably noticed, there's pictures on the back of Sweeney Todd. They're for reference, so I know what I'm doing. I can see what the scene looks like and take bits and bobs from it and shove it into the doll's house. That table, it used to be a dressing table, but I've ripped it to pieces and then put it back together how I wanted it. And this is now a bench to go with the table. Because there is a table and a bench and like a seating area, but I don't want the seating area is going to be too big, too much. My house is not that big. So I've got to think about what I'm placing in there. So I'm using UV resin to stick it, and I didn't think about my super glue till later on. But anyway, it worked out eventually. And this is the meat hook that's going to be hanging from the ceiling. I just used chopsticks, no biggie. Chopped them down and used a bit of wood to make the actual block that holds the big hook, and made the hooks out of the little bit of wire. I've got jewellery wire. It will be on a stick so that it'll stick to the ceiling and stay there. I have to make it, as you saw from the list I had in my hand earlier on, I've made myself a little to-do list, and today's going to be the table, the bench, candles, a goblet, plate crumbs, because I've already got the plate, and some pots, jars, pan lids. So they're all the little bits, and they should be all done. All my little bits are done now, I hope. Just for that one room. It seems to be taking a very long time. So I've got to make some shelving, wallpaper, and flooring. I've also, oh no, I haven't finished all of it all together. I have to make a little box with cutthroat razors in, and a separate one that I can put on the table. And I've also got to do the stairs. So I'm hoping that'll just be one more video to do for this room. And then I'd like to know if people want me to carry on doing each room one after the other, or do you want a break in between? Because I could always do something in between if you wanted me to. I'm quite happy to carry on with the house. I'm really enjoying it, to be honest. But I'd like to know what you think. And also, which room would you like me to do next? I'm going to put on my community post which rooms I've got, like a poll, and then you can see which one you want. But in the comments, I'd really, really like it if you could just tell me if you want to carry on with the house or not. Because if people are bored, then they're not really going to want to watch it. I can just carry on doing it myself. That's no problem. But if you do want me to carry on, and then great. Please look out for the poll. That'll be fantastic. The subscribers that I've had recently and keep on getting is just amazing. I'm loving it. There's so many fantastic people out there and artists, and you get to see so much stuff being done. And my imagination's just firing on all cylinders lately, which is great because I don't know about everybody else. Bit of a slump, it happens, and you don't know what to do with yourself. And anyway, I'm going to shut blathering on now. So I've sanded my table and bench, I've cooked my polymer clay, and guess what? I didn't forget I was cooking this time, thanks to the sort of son-in-law. He reminded me the oven was on. Um, and I'm painting them now, giving the wood a bit of a wash with browny, bluey colours, just to give it a bit of softness to it, and darkness to it. Because in the film it's very, very dark, very blue, very black, browns, miserable looking. So then I'm painting the rest of my things, and I'll put a dry wash. Yeah, what now? Dry brush on everything, make it a bit darker and a bit less shiny. And I'll show you some pictures at the end so you can see what it looks like in the house as well as on a little turntable thing so you can see it going round and round and round. But I've done the candles. There's the plate with my crumbs, my pot lid, so I just put little metal handles in, using my jewellery wire again, little candlestick. I think I might have to go over that with white though later because I think I've got my mucky fingerprints all over it. Because as you can see, I'm making a mess again with my dirty thumb. There it is. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you like it as well. And I hope to see you all again soon. Thank you for watching. Bye.